Omukoherera kukoreka ebyo kampuni hamwe n'abantu abarikoze ebintu by'ama kampuni agari mu kutimba amajuta bete ba suppliers bagiraho Abarikuheereza Gardens omurembo rwa HOIMA bashabwa okuba no mukwatane gwa za kampuni chete joint venture.
Your partner has a strength, whereas you also have a strength, and maybe you have some challenges, and they are complementary. What your partner is strong in is what you'll be weak in. So we encourage joint venture partnerships. We encourage subcontracting as an avenue to be able to win contracts. This can be done at a local level, and this is the first step. Local suppliers coming together.
First of all, the government, who is the leader in this business, should manage excitement and tell. So, what the people of oil and gas excitement, people are leaving agriculture and they concentrate on these other aspects. So, first, let's manage excitement. And let's empower people and encourage them not to give up on themselves. Because the problem is a challenge that people give up so easily.
Okweherera oku kwetebekanisibwa aba Total Energies n'ekigendererwa cyo kugira ngo boreke bimwe aha bintu bari kuherezayo supply hamwe no kongera okubabangura.
I think EnviroServe, we are tuli partnership ya EnviroServe na Green Albert. Chikumanyisa ba shareholders nibo bakuteka mu sente. So shareholders omunka invest wa amani tokutunula bwire buno onakurala bwino noteka mu sente tukatandika 2014 adi 2023 bayikana ne bateka mu sente baka sente zawo tezikarugireyo. So the point is ba shareholders bali willing kuteka mu sente mpaka kurala magawara ga ija
ngole bya majuta muri kutugororeire mu kirenti one ite kitukira kukora kuli kuyamba abayikazi na alama gitagali nkaba HOIMA kikubwe nkaha bulisi netubegese emirimo y'engaro kyonka nibafuna katale ko kutunda products zabo.
Rosette Komugisha olukura Total Energies yagamba ngu abanya-Uganda hamwe n'amakampani go mu Uganda agarikwenda kuhereza ebintu omwe barikora amajuta bene okwehandikisa bakaba ne sente ezirikwemarira ebintu ebirikwemarira hamwe no kureba ngo nibashashura emishoro kurungi.
We all know that there are requirements around the technical or quality needs depending on the scope, the health and safety, but also general business management requirements. And what we found in the host communities is that most businesses are not formal. That's why you find us here with URSB, so that people can formalize, register their businesses. Other people are not aware of their statutory obligations when they are running a business, like paying taxes and so on and so forth.
Daniel Mwesigwa urukwebemberamo entebekanisa omuri Caritas HOIMA bamwe abari kutunga empatane yagamba ngo baganyirwemo omirimo yo kutimba amajuta okurabira omukushomesa abantu ba burijo
kafunawo contract yo kwegesa balimi kakumiro netwebwa Montrose Africa. So ati ya ekyo nikitwongera mani go kuyamba balimi abakiraho abatu bayire tuyamba ati products zo kurura hano alezinde zitashobore kuletana baitu zino zilibimu abite kutwegesa abantu kukora mu maka gabo nibasoko bitunda
ebyo nabikorwa obo Uganda rikwetebekanisa okureba itondo ry'amajuta okurugo kuzumu omwaka gwa 2025 gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.